Hello everyone, this is Blue Skyver. It's Friday afternoon, and earlier this week I got a pair of VR glasses, the RayNeo AIr 4 Pro, and here they are, and you can see the pair of OLED projectors inside them. I got them from Amazon. They are very affordable. They have an excellent quality. Actually, they have an audio with 4 loudspeakers. It's really great sound. They don't have a battery, so actually I connect them with a USB-C cable to the controllers, because I'm using them when I fly to project the controller view on them. They are of excellent quality, and today I brought them in the park to fly the Mavic 5 Pro, but I can fly them as well with the Mavic 4 Pro. I can fly them with the Neo drones, as well as the coming Avata 360, and I connect them with the USB-C cable with the DJI RC2 or the RC Pro 2 controller, and I made the maiden flight with them today, and the view was amazing, and I totally recommend them. So I'm going to share this footage with you. I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe, you're very welcome. Thank you very much for watching my channel, and remember, this is another beautiful day to fly.